Jain students, due to this COVID pandemic, CBSE has taken a very crucial decision in favor of students regarding the syllabus reduction at the secondary and senior secondary level. Myself, C. Khan, economics teacher, just discuss the syllabus with you. Just want to show the deducted part of the syllabus in economics and few other subjects. So on date 7 July 2020, CBSE has taken a great decision, a big decision in favor of students regarding the syllabus curriculum deduction. Now see, in economics, topic deleted from the syllabus of class 11, measures of dispersion, range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, coefficient of range, coefficient of quartile deviation, coefficient of mean deviation has been deleted. Correlation, Spears rank correlation deleted, index number, industrial production index number deleted. Part B, microeconomics, concept of PPC deleted, production equilibrium and its condition in term of MRMC approach deleted. From next last chapter, forms of market, monopoly, monopolistic competition and their meaning and future has been eliminated. Now we are coming to class 12. Topic deleted under the money and banking, control of credit through bank rates, CRR, SLR, repo rate, and reverse repo rate. Open market operation margin requirements have been deleted. Balance of payment deficit meaning deleted. Determination of exchange rate in free market ये नहीं आना है that has been deleted. In Indian economic development, some part has been taken. Here also deducted growth of education sector in India under current challenges faced by Indian economy deleted, organic farming deleted, and infrastructure under infrastructure energy has been omitted from the syllabus. In business study, topics deleted from unit 2 forms of business organization. Choice of forms of business organization deleted. Point unit 3 public private global enterprises. Global enterprises feature joint venture public private partnership concept deleted. From point unit 4 business services, postal services, mail registered post, parcel speed post, courier meanings deleted. Emerging modes of business unit 5 business processing BPOs concept and needs scope deleted. Social responsibility of business, business ethic concept and element deleted from part B. Source of business finance, borrowed fund, intercorporate deposits, ICD, deleted from 9 unit. Type of retail trade, itinerant and small scale fixed shop retailers, deleted. GST, deleted. International trade, export trade, meaning and procedure, deleted. Import trade, meaning and procedure, deleted. Document involved in international trade, identity, indent letter of credit, indent letter of credit, shipping order, shipping bills, mates receipts, DP deleted, World Trade Organization deleted. That was from class 11th. Now class 12th, unit 3rd, business environment, demonetization deleted, impact of government policy change on business with special reference to liberalization, privatization, and globalization deleted. Unit 4 planning, single and standing plan, objective, strategy, policy, procedure, method, rule, budget, and program deleted. Unit 5 organization, topic deleted here. Formal and informal organization concept is deleted. Staffing, staffing as a part of human resource management concept deleted. Next, Unit 7, Directing barriers to effective communication, how to overcome the barriers, deleted. Controlling relationship between planning and controlling, deleted. Part B, Unit 11, Marketing, physical distribution, components and channel of distribution, deleted. In class 12, Unit 12, Consumer Protection, importance, deleted. Consumer awareness, role of consumer organization and non-government organization NGOs have been omitted, deleted. So CBC has deducted a crucial part of very large part of the syllabus from class 12 as well as board classes, other classes 10th also. तो अभी स्टूडेंट्स को थोड़ी सी रिलीफ हो सकती है, पैनिक नहीं होना है और पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन में स्मूथली पढ़ाई करें आप। नेक्स्ट जो एग्जाम्स हैं थोड़े उनके सिलेबस शॉर्ट हो जाने से आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्ट, बहुत ज़्यादा रिलीफ मिलेगा। थैंक यू एंड जय हिंद टू ऑल।